Hello family, happy new year and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making some weekend dinner, just as the title of the video says. Let's get to the video. I'm going to start by making some vegetable brown rice. I'm going to start by adding some oil to my pot, and then I'm going to add my 1 medium sized chopped red onion. I'll also add 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, and then I'm going to fry my onions to golden brown as shown in the video. After my onions are golden brown, I'm going to add my 2 medium sized chopped carrots, that I pre-washed and peeled, and then I'm going to fry them for a while as shown in the video. I'm now going to break my favorite seasoning, that is 2 Royco cubes, and then I'm going to mix well as shown in the video. I'm going to add some salt to taste, and then I'm going to mix my carrots well as shown in the video, and then I'm going to add some green peas, and then I'm going to fry my peas for a while as shown in the video, so that my carrots and my peas absorb the seasoning and salt. After a while, I'm now going to add 4 cups of water at room temperature. I added 4 cups of water because I'm going to use 2 cups of brown rice. So as you know, you have to double the amount of water. I'm then going to taste it to see if I need to adjust any salt, and then I'm going to cover it and boil it. After a while, my water is already boiled. I'm now going to add my 2 cups of brown rice that I already prepared and washed and drained. And then I'm going to mix my rice together with the carrot mixture well as shown in the video. If you don't have the brown rice, you can just replace it with 2 cups of white rice. Adding my rice, I'm now going to mix it well to make sure there are no rice stuck at the bottom of my pot, and then I'm going to cover my pot. I'll then cook my rice until all the water is drained as shown in the video. You need to check your rice to know if you need to adjust any water. If any case you are adjusting any water, I'm sorry. I prefer that you use hot water or warm water. After a while, our rice is now ready, and look at it, you guys. It looks really good. I'm then going to remove my rice from the stove, and then I'm going to set it aside. I'll now move on to preparing the ground beef. I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan, and then I'm going to add my 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste that I already crushed before. I'm then going to fry it for a while. As shown in the video. I'm sorry about the reflection in the pan, you guys. It's my organizer. I'm going to check how I can fix that. I'm now going to add my ground beef, and then I'm going to fry it for a while until it turns from red to pale, as shown in this video. I'm sorry, you guys, I don't know the right word for it. For now, I'm just going to fry it. I'm now going to add some salt to taste, and then I'm going to mix my ground beef well, as shown in the video. After frying my beef for a while, I'm now going to add some water to make sure it doesn't burn. I'm then going to cover my pan and steam it for at least 10 minutes, as shown in the video. After 10 minutes, I'm going to uncover my pan, and then I'm going to add some lots and lots of fresh chopped cilantro, or you can just use coriander. I'm then going to mix my ginger ground beef well to absorb the seasoning and the cilantro, as shown in the video. Our ground beef is now ready. I'm going to set it aside. Moving on, I'm now going to start making my cabbage. I'm going to add some oil to a pot, and then I'm going to add some chopped green onion. I'll then fry my onions to golden brown, as shown in the video. After my onions are golden brown, I'm now going to add my 3 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, and then I'm going to give it the heat. I'll then cover my pot so the tomatoes soften as shown in the video. After a while, I'm now going to uncover my pot, and then I'm going to mix my tomatoes well as shown in the video. And then I'm going to add my chopped cabbage that I already prepared. I'll then mix it well together with the tomato and the onion mixture as shown in the video. After making sure my cabbage absorbs the onion and tomato mixture well, I'm now going to add some leftover cilantro. That is optional. I'll also add some salt to taste, and then I'm going to add some water. I'll then cover my pot and steam my cabbage for a few minutes as shown in the video. After a while, our cabbage is now ready. I'm just going to give it a quick mix as shown in the video, and then I'll set it aside. Our dinner is now ready, you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. This is it for me today, you guys, and make sure you turn on your notification bell to make sure you don't miss each and every time that I post a new video. You can also follow me on my social media pages, Instagram. See you in my next video. Bye.